Hi, Philip from T.W White Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful 2019 on a 69 plate Mazda 6 2-litre 145 PS Tourer SEL Nav Plus, finished in machine grey with black cloth interior. It's in great condition. One owner from new. As I say, just over 23,500 miles. Great specification with these vehicles. Privacy glass at the rear, roof rails, rear parking sensors. Got a huge load area here with retractable cover, 60/40 split rear seats, which you can fold down using these levers, very conveniently situated. You don't have to lean over to take this rear seats down, which is terrific. Well spec car, this, in beautiful condition. Will come with 12 months Mazda approved warranty, including 12 months roadside assistance. T.W White Sons will take any vehicle in part exchange. We will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television, all of whom are trying for your business. We will be as competitive as any of those people. And it's a one-stop shop. You can come along here, part exchange your car, safe in the knowledge that you'll be getting a highly competitive price, and you'll be able to buy another vehicle as well. Maybe it's this one. Absolutely superb condition. Electric windows all round, electric power folding exterior door mirrors. Sitting inside the car, you're getting lane departure warning system. First bank of switches you come to, lane departure warning system, traction control, Mazda stop start I-stop technology. Just down below here, situated below are these two levers, one of which will release the fuel filler, the other one will release the bonnet. Although it's a mid-range on the 6 here, it's really well equipped. Multi-function steering wheel with auto lights and auto wipers, so your lights are on your left hand stalk with the indicators, and the inner column does your fog lamps. The right hand side here, variable speed on the intermittent wipe, and they're auto wipers as well. On the left hand side of this multi-function steering wheel, you've got integrated Bluetooth with voice control, info button which will change elements of that display. Yes, this car does need some fuel. Right hand side, intelligent radar cruise control, which will sense vehicles in front of you and slow the vehicle down accordingly. You're also getting head-up display with this car, which should pull through the navigation signal. Major dials here. Left hand side you've got tachometer, rev counter. Center you've got speedometer. Right hand side you've got the fuel gauge, outside temperature and trip meter. If I change the info, this switch here, if I push that switch, you'll get elements of this that are changing. So you can see you've got your MPG meter, trip A, which shows an average fuel consumption of 35.4. A lot of this does depend on how the vehicle's driven. Trip B shows the average fuel consumption at 39.6. Car's done 23,529 miles from new, which is fully warranted. Zero that. Service due in 12 months. Great specification. Range 13 miles till we run out of fuel on this vehicle. Before I come to this, which is Mazda's in-car entertainment system, we'll look down here. We've got dual zone climate air conditioning, which means that the passenger can adjust their temperature independently of the driver's side. However, if you want to adjust it together, you just press sync and you can see everything is the two temperatures for passenger and driver are adjusting automatically. So auto climate control, very simple. You dial in the temperature you want, hit automatic. It will adjust the fan speed and the direction of the air according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. If you want to adjust it manually, just take it off auto by pressing the fan speed or the mode button here. You can see the direction is changing. Really beautifully finished, great dashboard ergonomics. You got down here recirc button to recirculate the air inside the car. It is better to take air from the outside in, leaves the car fog free, mist free on the interior. AC button, fan speeds, where you want the air to go there, demist and heated rear window. It's simplicity, but it works, and it's a dual zone system. CD slot there with eject. Down here you got a 6-speed manual gearbox, which is a really lovely shifting gait to it, very short throws between the gears, very smooth action, really very much a driver's car. Main navigation wheel and electronic handbrake. That navigation wheel obviously adjusts all of this, but when you're stationary only, you can adjust it through touchscreen facility, like so. Very straightforward. However, for the purposes of this, as soon as you drive off, that touchscreen becomes disabled. For safety reasons, keep your eyes on the road as opposed to the center screen. It does have a color head-up display, which I say will pull through the navigation signal. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to use the navigation wheel to take you through a brief demonstration of this setup. So we got DAB, we got FM AM, Stitcher app, USB connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity. Back to the home screen, which looks like this. Applications, fuel economy monitor, which shows 35.3. If your car's I-stop ready on this vehicle, it's not ready at the moment, but it will come up I-stop ready. You pull up some traffic lights that happen to be red, engage neutral gear, the engine will stop. When the lights turn green and you touch the pedals, the engine will start again, and you then go off. It has obvious, this stop-start technology has obvious advantages insofar as in the environment and fuel economy. Just going back here also, you see here Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This car comes with both those. Very useful in that you know, you can plug in your phone through the USB and you'll get most of the icons up on your phone. For example, Spotify, Waze navigation if you've downloaded that, WhatsApp messages, etc. All voice control. Really high spec. Not all our Mazdas come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This car is fitted with it. Normally as a sort of accessory, dealer fit accessory, you're looking to the order of £350 to £400 to fit it, but really useful accessory to have. Back to the home screen, satellite navigation. This is Mazda's sat nav here. That's its display when the car is dark, when it's dark and you've got the side lights on. This is its display when you're driving daytime. You can adjust the parameters of that, but let me just show you actually. You got here find address, town or postcode. You can set up a home address, look at your favorite history, where you've been, etc. Another really useful feature, this is places nearby, so you can set up a category. If you wanted to find a fuel station, as this car does need fuel, you highlight fuel station search, and locally it comes up with all our fuel stations within a reasonable radius here. You can highlight which one you want to go to, press it, and the nav will help take you there. Home screen again, settings for the vehicle. Add disp refers to the head-up display, which I won't show you because it won't come through clearly on this camera. I can see it very clearly in front of me. Just actually, I don't know if you can see it in the image there, but you'll see 0 miles an hour and the speed restriction, speed limit in the area. come up there. But you can adjust this head-up display for height, brightness between auto and manual, brightness, rotation, display information. As I said, it'll pull through your navigation signal and active driving display. Back to the top, the display we're looking at, you can adjust that between auto, day and night modes. It's on auto at the moment. You can adjust brightness and contrast. And safety, this car's loaded with safety features. For example, you've got a distance recognition support system. You can adjust the warning parameters of that, which is very good. You've got smart city brake support, and again you can adjust the type of warning, not the type of warning, sorry, the warning distance, the volume. Blind spot monitoring, that gives you the icons in your exterior mirrors. If somebody's in your blind spot, it will alert you to that. You can adjust the associated volume of that. So it's a really high spec car. Lane keep assist system and lane departure alert system ensures that you stay in the correct lane on a motorway, or indeed an A or B road. Anything with markers, you don't drift over it. It warns you of that. You can adjust the timing of it, the sensitivity, lane departure alert, the alert type, whether you get a vibration or a buzzer, the vibration strength, etc. Traffic sign recognition, that's in front of you on the head-up display, and parking sensor indication. So to summarize, you've got distance recognition support system, smart city brake support, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist system, traffic sign recognition. You can go into all the sub menus and adjust them according to what you find satisfactory for you as a driver. Bass, treble, fader balance here on the sound. Automatic level control will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. Guidance volume is for the sat nav. Clock 12 or 24 hours. Time zone select. Vehicle here, you can adjust your door locks. This car's got auto door lock mode. You can adjust that on or off. Auto relock time. Even on the indicators, you can adjust the indicator volume, whether you choose to have a 3-flash indicator or not. Lighting, you can adjust interior lights, door open, door closed, your high beam control, lights on, morning volume, coming home light, leaving home light, auto headlights on, the sensitivity of those auto headlights through the sub menu here, with medium's about right. Devices, got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay when you connect up your phone through USB. System here, you can read the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, distance in miles or kilometers. So really high spec vehicle, beautifully finished as well. Just such a good car, this. So to just take you through the spec again, plus of course you're getting auto dimming rear view mirror, take you through a spec again. Dual zone climate AC, electronic handbrake with main navigation wheel there, and master volume control. You can adjust the volume through 2 places, on the steering wheel and the master volume here. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fitted to this vehicle, satellite navigation, DAB digital audio, smart city brake support, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring. It's a really high spec SEL Nav Plus, this car. Really well finished as well. As I said to you before, at T.W White Sons, we want your part exchange, so we will be offering as competitive price as any of the online companies that advertise on national television. The car comes with 12 months Mazda approved, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. We've carried out a full 101-point used car check on this vehicle, which we check everything from tyre tread depths, condition of the wipers, the vehicle's electrical systems, making sure that everything works in accordance with Mazda approved standards. There it is, 2019 on a 69 Mazda 6 2-litre SEL Nav Plus Tourer manual 6-speed, done 23,500 miles with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is a very useful option. Metallic grey, machine grey, which is a stunning colour with a very hard wearing black cloth, easy to clean interior. If you want to find out more about this beautiful 6 Tourer, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.